Hi, today I'm for the new REALME GT Neo 3T and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So just to do that, first we should launch the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that we just should open the application. Click here to yes I agree, tap to close, to OK in the left down corner, and here we'll see the information about battery temperature. That's 32.5. So what we can see here more information like the battery model, the health level, capacity model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.